Negative and zero exponents, lesson 4.4 notes. Starting with the review. Take a moment, pause your video, and complete the 2 review questions by simplifying each expression. All right, now that you are finished, let's check your work. For number 1, the first step was power of a product in the denominator. So I took negative 2 to the 3rd power, and then I multiplied each of the exponents on the inside by the outside exponent. And then the second step was to divide, and my final answer was negative 3a b to the 5th, e to the 2nd, f to the 3rd, g to the 4th, all over 2, c to the 9th, d to the 3rd. If you made any mistakes, pause the video and fix your work. Okay, number 2. Number 2, the first step was to divide. Inside the big parentheses, we needed to divide first. Now, you might have gotten negative 1/2, and therefore you might have put negative 1 in the numerator and a positive 2 in the denominator. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's perfectly fine. We've talked before how if I don't have to write it, I don't want to. So instead of putting a negative 1 on top, I put the negative with the 2 and didn't write a 1 in the numerator. So anyway, the second step then was power of a fraction. I took negative 2 and squared it for the denominator and multiplied each of the exponents to get a final answer of k to the 12th, n to the 8th, all over 4j to the 10th. Again, if you made any mistakes, pause the video and fix your work. If you have any questions on the review, let me know.